Okay guys, good afternoon. We have 30 minutes to the close. Market is a little bit going down. We see only big sellers in the tape, big guys. Okay, so we're gonna place a limit order here and we're gonna wait for the market to fill. Okay, here we go. Okay, there you go guys, big sellers in the tape. Market can tank anytime. See 308 here, but this can be profit taking. 190.
Short signal NQ.
Okay, there you go.
Short signal ES. Short signal NQ. Short signal ES.
There you go guys.
Short signal ES.
Plus 400 here. We're gonna wait for the market to close. We see 428 contract short. I do remember this session that it was maybe a week, past week, where the market was throwing big lots. Okay, so the same thing is happening again. We're gonna wait for the close to see if we can catch another trade. Okay, so we keep watching, guys. We need to watch the tape. We need to check if we have a 1,000 lot contracts short. If we see those 1,000 contracts short, okay, that can be a massive sell-off later on. Okay, we see 5,000 contracts short here. Okay, but these guys, remember, are well, we say, guys, these guys have big pockets, so it's very complicated because you cannot just jump in. Market has stalled over here. We see buyers, 600 buyers here. So Nasdaq is trying to reverse, but still not there yet. So it's gonna be difficult to jump again here. And well, I didn't just wanna gamble with trying to get more out of this trade. So it's better to wait and see. Let's see if these guys can hold. Okay, it's a pullback. Okay, let's see. I don't really all this mumbo jumbo, a little confused. I'm seeing buyers and sellers. It's a mixed trade right now, so I don't know who is in control. Maybe a big fight down there, but we're gonna wait to see clearly if we see more selling or market can reverse from here. I don't know. We'll let the tape tell us what they're gonna do. Okay, so we're seeing buyers in the tape trying to well, first of all, this is profit taking. Okay, so if market can reverse from here, it's because of the
Oversold in
who
Q.
sold here.
Long
Okay,
signal
so
NQ.
you see the tape really moving, pushing big volume, 100 contracts.
Brick set. Longs overbought ES.
See if we can get the push to the upside here. These guys are profit taking that bot on the reversal there. See another batch of buyers here. The Nasdaq. Okay, we canceled the trade. Too many
Order
sellers here.
canceled.
Over here in the little bar. Too much selling. I'm gonna place a limit order short here. Sellers coming in again. Nasdaq is still trying to fight up. Okay, guys, we cancel the
Order
trade.
canceled.
Nothing happened. We're gonna wait and see. Okay, we see sellers trying to push the price down. Okay, there you go. Sellers in the tape 200, 100, 110. Need to see more sellers. We see 1300 contracts short in the micro ES. And Q is stuck in there. We start to see sellers in the tape. Little sellers, very little, very little. To see 200, 400 contracts short.
Overbought in Q.
Okay, more sellers. More sellers, 114 contracts.
Short signal and Q.
There goes name Q. Okay, more sellers here. There you go, 160. There you go, first contract out. It's a free trade now. There we go, more sellers in the tape. See big sellers, 186 in the micro Nasdaq. Okay, sellers piling in again. See another imbalance here, 1200 contracts. Still price is not moving. You see buyers in the Nasdaq.
Brick setup. Brick setup.
Okay guys,
Order
I'm gonna exit this
canceled.
trade. We made 220 here, but 400 is 620, so it's almost the close. We got 15 minutes to the close. I don't think the market is gonna die from here. See buyers pushing price up, holding the price. They're not, pushing it down. So I think that would be it for this short position, and that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. Guys, you can contact me. I will be happy to send you information.
Short signal and Q.
Okay, there goes the NQ. But
Short signal and
I'm
Q.
not gonna
Short
answer
signal
again.
and Q.
The ES is stalled here.